QuizScore allows you insight into associate progress and provides live training results from anywhere you have an internet connection. The QuizScore website allows you instant access to real-time activity and results. Corporate, regional, district, and store managers can access their respective areas. Once logged in, you can check progress, completion, scores, and additional metrics to help identify strengths and opportunities. With QuizScore, managing associate training and development has never been easier. To begin, go to QuizScore.com and enter your username and password. Once logged in, you'll be in your home screen, which lists all current programs. Each program has a bar graph showing you the current percent completion of your team. Click on the Excel icon to download an Excel file for each program to manipulate available data to correlate sales and shrink results. To see information for a particular program, click on that program. Depending on your access, you can view information company-wide, by region, by district, by store, or by an individual associate. For example, let's click through the New York district. Here, you see a quick overview graph of completion and average score for the entire New York district. To see specific stores, click the See District Stores button. You now see all of the stores in the New York district and an overview of percent completion for each store. Choose a specific store and then expand the program to see results for each module at a question-level detail. Click See Store Employees to see when students started and completed, or if they have not started or completed, in red, and their score. You can also check an individual associate's results. You can click on the associate's name or search for an associate directly from the Employee tab. From an associate's report card, you can expand an individual quiz. The highlighted answer indicates which answer they chose, as well as how many seconds it took to answer the question. This provides a valuable coaching platform to assist associates and drive performance. When finished, click the Home button to return to your home screen, or click the Logout button on the top left of the page. With QuizScore, you're given insight quickly and easily to your team's participation. Data is live, providing a wealth of actionable information in an easily manageable interface, allowing you to identify opportunities, pinpoint problems, or provide positive feedback. QuizScore ensures everyone on your team is consistently using the tools accessible to drive performance.